Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is uh, 18 November 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 16. Name of the chapter, The Great Indian Desert. Okay, student. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video we discussed the importance of the desert, Thar desert. Why? What are the importance? Why the Thar desert is so important? So in the previous video, student, we discussed the importance of the Thar desert. After that, what type of a climate is found in the Thar desert, that we have discussed in the previous video. Now after that we discuss keywords of the chapter and then we discuss things to remember. So complete explanation of the chapter we have done in the previous video. So student, in today's video we will start with the book exercise of the chapter. So all of you please take out your EVS book and open page number 99. Open page number 99 because book exercises we complete in the book and question answer of the chapter and diagram of the chapter we note down in the classwork copy. We draw diagram in the classwork copy and we note down the question answer in the classwork copy. So let's start with the book exercises of the chapter 16. First question is, pick the correct answer. Question 1. The climate in the desert Thar desert is quite dash. So what are the options? A, wet. B, harsh. Option number C, pleasant. And D, none of these. So as you know that student, when I explaining you the chapter, at that time I explained you which type of climate is found in the Thar desert, that is the harsh climate, because here the rainfall is very less or no rainfall in this region. Why the climate is harsh? Because desert area receive very little rainfall or no rainfall. Is it clear? And due to this there is a scarcity of water. पानी की बहुत कमी है. Due to this there is a scarcity of water and the living condition is very tough in the Thar desert. So right answer is the climate in the Thar desert is harsh climate. Second question, the shape of the desert is dash. Option 1, elephant. Option B, donkey. Option C, camel. Or option D, horse. So the shape of the desert is, see student, this is the name of the animals is given. Here the name of the animals is given. The shape of the desert is known as whether it is elephant, donkey, camel or horse. So the right answer is camel. Camel is known as the shape of the desert because camel can walk on the sand very easily without sinking. ठीक है, उनके पैर धंसते नहीं है बालू में. It's broad padded feet. That is the reason without sinking the camel can walk in the sand very easily. And another important thing which I want to tell you about the camels, that as we know that in the desert area there is a scarcity of water and the weather is very hot. So even the camel can live without food and water for a long period of a time. Okay, so camel can survive in this desert area. They can live without food and water for a long period of a time. That is the reason the camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Question number 3. What is the unique feature of sandy soil? The unique option A, it absorb. The unique feature of the sandy soil is it absorb heat. It absorb heat. Option B, it cools fast. C, both A and B. D is none of these. So the unique feature of the sandy soil is that it absorbs the heat of the sun. Okay, so it become very hot. Sand become very hot due to the heat of the sun, and at the same time when there is no sunlight, so it rapidly cools down also. ठीक है, ड्यू टू हीट ऑफ द सन सैंड बहुत जल्दी से हीट हो जाता है, एंड व्हेन देयर इज नो सनलाइट तो बहुत तेजी से ये क्या सैंड कूल भी हो जाता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो द यूनिक फीचर ऑफ द sandy soil is it absorb heat. This answer is also right. It cools very fast. This answer is also right. So option number B, option number C, that is both A and B, this is the right answer. That is both A and B, this is the right answer. Note down. नेक्स्ट है फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, द वेजिटेशन found in desert region. The vegetation found in desert region consist of dash. The vegetation found in desert region consists of dash. So option number A, kikkar. Option number B, babool. Option number C, cactus. Option number D, all of these. So the vegetation found in desert region is less due to scarcity of water. डेजर्ट रीजन में जो वेजिटेशन है वो लेस देखने के लिए मिलती है, ठीक है, ड्यू टू स्कैरिसिटी ऑफ द वाटर. सो द ओनली प्लांट्स विच कैन सर्वाइव इन द डेजर्ट, दैट इज kicker, babool and cactus. So all of these is the right answer, because especially the plants which are found in the desert area, they having a very small leaves or they are thorny, या तो उनके कांटे होते हैं, उनकी लीव्स बहुत स्मॉल होती है, so that the process of transpiration is less. What is transpiration? In this process the plant lost their water, so this process of transpiration should be less. That is the reason the plants have small trees. Okay, so the vegetation found in desert region consists of kicker is also found in desert, babool also and cactus also. So the right option is all of these. All of these is the right option. A sandy area that become fertile is called a sandy area. A sandy area that becomes fertile is called it dash. A sandy area that becomes fertile is called it dash. Option A, oasis. Option B, waterfall. Option C, babool. And option C, lagoon. So a sandy area that becomes fertile is called waterfall. Is also not a right answer. Falling of the water ये भी right answer नहीं है. Babool is the name of a plant, and lagoons are backwater lakes or salty water lakes. In this what happen, the sea water get separated from the sea. इसमें water sea का ही होता है, लेकिन बीच में लैंड सॉइल एरिया आने की वजह से सी वाटर ही सी के वाटर से क्या हो जाता है, अलग हो जाता है. तो दीज आर नोन एज लैगून, और यू कैन आल्सो से बैक वाटर लेक्स. ओके, सो ए सैंडी एरिया दैट बिकम फर्टाइल इज कॉल्ड ओएसिस. ए फर्टाइल एरिया. Okay, so what is oasis? A fertile area in the desert where underground water comes on the surface, and many villages are clustered around this area. बहुत से लोग इसके अगल बगल बस जाते हैं, क्योंकि as we know that student, water is our basic need. Without this life is not possible. A sandy area that becomes fertile is called oasis. So this is the right answer. Next, question number B. We have completed question number A. Now start doing question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's start with the first question. First question is, the Thar desert lies between dash and dash. So answer is, the Thar desert lies between Gujarat and Punjab and Haryana. Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. Note down the answer. The Thar desert lies between Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. Question number second. The Rajasthan canal brings water from the river Satluj. Rajasthan canal brings water from river Satluj. Okay, note down the answer. So next question is, the nomads, okay, the Rajasthan canal brings water from river Satluj to the Rajasthan canal brings water from river Satluj to the desert. Okay, so we will continue this in the next video.